Now let's zoom out and understand the entire AI ecosystem from ground up. Because most people only see ChatGPT or AI apps on the surface, but underneath there are multiple layers that are working together to make AI possible. Think of AI like a skyscraper. Every floor depends on the layer below it. So let's start from the bottom. The first layer is energy. This is the foundation of modern AI. AI training requires enormous amounts of electricity. Why? Because training large AI models involves massive computations running continuously across thousands of powerful machines. And this is becoming such a big issue globally that companies are now investing heavily in renewable energy, nuclear energy, smart grids, and energy efficient infrastructure. Companies like Siemens are working on smart grids, industrial energy systems. Schneider Electric focuses heavily on energy efficiency and data center power management. And companies like Nextra Energy are investing massively in large scale renewable energy infrastructure. Because without power, AI simply cannot scale. Now, above the energy comes the next layer, which is data centers. Think of these as like physical homes of AI. Huge buildings that are filled with servers, networking systems, cooling systems, storage infrastructure, and high-speed internet connectivity. This is where like AI models are trained and operated. Companies like Equinix, they actually provide AI-ready colocation infrastructure globally. Digital Realty operates hyperscale data centers across multiple regions. And companies like Google run massive hyperscale AI infrastructure to support products that are used by billions of people. Now, here's something important. AI generates enormous heat. So cooling systems, networking speed, uptime, and reliability become extremely critical. The next layer is chips. This is the hardware brain power behind the AI. AI models actually require highly specialized chips to process huge amounts of calculations extremely fast. And today, NVIDIA is dominating the space through the GPUs that power most modern AI systems. AMD is building high-performance AI chips to compete in this growing market. And Intel is developing CPUs and AI accelerators for enterprise workloads. And Apple is integrating AI-focused silicon directly into devices like iPhones, iPads, and Macs, and on-device AI. The faster and more efficient the chips, the more powerful the AI becomes. Now comes one of the most important layers, is the models. This is where the actual intelligence starts emerging. AI models learn patterns from massive amounts of data. This includes language, images, videos, speech, behavior, and also prediction patterns. Companies like OpenAI, they build GPT models. Google DeepMind develops systems like Gemini and AlphaFold. And Meta has released open source Llama models. And Anthropic develops Claude models that are focused heavily on AI safety and usability. This is actually the layer where the reasoning, generation, prediction, and understanding happens. But here's the thing. Most people never directly interact with raw models. That's where the next layer comes in, applications. Applications convert AI models into usable tools for people and businesses. This is where the AI actually becomes practical in real-world workflows. For example, Microsoft integrates Copilot across Office and enterprise tools. Salesforce embeds AI into their CRM and sales workflows. And then Adobe uses generative AI for designers and creators. SAP integrates AI into their ERP systems and operations management. This is where businesses and consumers are actually starting to see the value from AI. And finally, at the top, we have the user layer. That's us, you and me. Humans interacting with AI. This includes the chatbots, the voice assistants, AI copilots, AI inside email, AI inside design tools, AI in healthcare, in finance, in marketing, education, and any other part of daily life. And this top layer is extremely important because no matter how powerful the technology is, if users don't trust it, understand it, or adopt it, the AI will fail. And that's why user experience, simplicity, and trust matter massively in AI adoption today. So if we simplify the entire AI stack, energy powers the system, data centers host the infrastructure, chips provide the computational power, models learn intelligence, application turns the intelligence into useful tools, and users interact with AI in everyday life. And together, these layers form the modern AI ecosystem that is shaping the future of the world.